Okay, so hi, dear Leo. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a monthly December health, career, and finances reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for this particular month. And I'm not a medical practitioner, I'm not a career advisor, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just checking the energies. They might or might not resonate. Please don't take them too much personally. These are just energy and they can shift. Okay. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Let's see about your health. What we have, Leo. मुस्कान झूठी है. Yeah. पहचान झूठी है. For your health, we have the Queen of Swords. So you are going to be abruptly in this energy. I have to cut a lot of people, situations, things, negative thinking, fast food, and all of it from my life. It's like abrupt changes. See, you are going to suddenly out of the blue, you are going to get the clarity and understanding of what you should be doing and what you should not be doing regarding your health. I cannot hold this card more than 1-2 seconds because YouTube have a problem with swords. So basically, you are going to cut some kind of things, uh, eating habits or lifestyle habits out of your life. Suddenly out of the blue you are going to realize, no, it's not how it is going to work. I have to drastically change few things in my life, and I'm going to do that no matter what. Okay, so you are going to get that energy of cutting the crap out of your life and being focused on your health. Let's see the guidance for you guys here, honey. Four of Swords, right. You guys have to take a step back from this impulsive energies of yours, and before making drastic changes in your life that you might not be able to manage, take it slow. One step at a time, one day at a time. Don't be in this rush or hurry to change your life overnight, change your lifestyle overnight. Okay, it's not going to happen. It's not sustainable. So you should have a proper plan and strategy in order to start like doing your health regime, or systematically do it step by step, systematically, and understand that rushing or pushing yourself too hard is going to backfire. Yeah, that's the deal here. Okay, let's see if you're doing job or working for others. Let's see how it is going to be for you guys for this month, Leo. मुस्कान झूठी है. So we have the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so you are going to be quite satisfied in your job. For some of you, it's going to be salary hike or some kind of promotion or some kind of recognition that is going to make you feel like you are on the right track. And at the end of the day, you are going to have some kind of financial stability as well. So in your job or your career area, you are seeing a better energy. You are feeling grounded, you are feeling stable, and you are feeling this is something that I can work with and maybe create something long term. Think about the long term thing. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys, Leo. Seven of Cups. Yep. Before getting confused or trying to do so many things at the same time, again, try to do one thing at a time, but do it with all of your focus, all of your heart and soul, so that you can give results. It's like you might end up end up doing 7-8 things at the same time, and you will be end up finishing nothing. So instead of doing 7-8 things at one time, do one thing and do it with all of your heart and soul, then go to the next, and then go to the next. For some of you, you might be very, very confused whether you should look for other job opportunities or not. If right now you're super overwhelmed and super confused, right now just relax and let this phase pass. Maybe 7 to 8 days are enough for you to understand whether you should do that thing or not, right? Take your time. Don't be in any kind of rush or hurry. You are a Leo sign, you're a fire sign, you're always in like, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. But you guys need to take a chill pill. Not like earth signs, like, okay, not moving at all, thinking and not doing much about it. Not like yours, like, okay, doing too much and not thinking about it. Like, it's contrasting energies. Let's see if you are doing your own business, and if you're self-employed, how it is going to be for you guys. Page of Cups. It's a good news. You are going to be a pregnant woman. Just kidding. Just kidding. It's not related to that part at all. Okay, if you are by any chance, congratulations. And if you're feeling good about it. Anyway, so the thing here is, if you are doing like if you're doing your own thing, if you are doing your own business thing, there is going to be some kind of good news that's going to make you feel very good. Just give me a second. Okay, so yeah, you're going to get some kind of good news. It might make you feel a little bit overwhelmed with emotions, but it's just the start of something really beautiful. Okay, this can become something beautiful and long term and stable. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys, honey, for your self employment and your business thing. We have the Four of Wands. Okay, if you're thinking about long term, then you have to ignore the small obstacles and challenges, right? When we are creating something big, just it might be a very bizarre example, but I like it a lot because one of my mentor told me this. An elephant, she remains pregnant for I think 13-14 months because she have to give birth to an elephant, right? A kid, baby elephant. And for things to go in your way, you guys have to be patient enough and understand, if you are giving birth to something long, something good, something sorry, some kind of stable long term goal of yours, something that's huge, you guys have to, ignore the obstacles and challenges and small irritations and small things that are draining your energies, are making you feel a little bit overwhelmed or all over the place, right? So try to stay focused on your goal and ignore those things that are not that much important or that are not worthy of draining your time, efforts, and energies, right? So stay focused on your goal. I'm crazy. Okay, let's. Oh my god, Leo. Shit, man. Let's see. I don't know why am I laughing like this. Shit, man. If you're seeking for a new job or new business thing, let's see how it is going to be for you for this month. Keep on laughing like me. Let's see. We have the Death card. See, it's like it's going to start very quickly and it's going to end very quickly, and then after this ending, this quick ending of yours, you might get an opportunity, but it's not going to work out, right? Then after that phase of yours, oh my god, life sucks and everything sucks, and when I will be able to get that, there is going to be a shift in your perspective, shift in your energies, and you will not be that much worried or that much in desperation energy of wanting to start your job thing or business thing. And at that moment, you are going to get another opportunity, if this is making any sense to you. It's like universe is going to throw some kind of energies towards you where you might feel good for some time, then it's going to end and it's going to transform your energies into something totally different from what it is right now, and then boom, you will be able to start a brand new chapter, brand new job or career opportunity or business opportunity from that point onwards. It's like a test that you have to pass, like to transform your energies from desperation, from wanting something very badly, to this energy of okay, let it unfold the way it should, naturally and organically, right? Right? Light. Let's see the guidance here for you guys. Page of Swords. You have to keep up your social media game, social media, online presence, and whatever you can do from your side in order to, uh, you know, learn new skills and present those skills with confidence, and do whatever it takes to do certain things in a different way. You have to level up your game here, Leo. Simple as that. Because right now things are so fast, energies are very competitive, and the AI is taking over a lot of things. So you have to, keep up your game in some way, whatever it means in your case. But your social media presence, your online presence, your confidence is going to help you a lot in moving forward in this area of your life. If you are going to be one of those like traditional conventional people who are not ready to change themselves, guess what? Guess who is going to suffer here? You guys have to take that in mind, keep that in mind. Okay, let's see for your finances what we have, Leo, for this month. Hmm. 8 of Pentacles. So whatever you are going to do with your money energy, you are going to get the results exactly as per your efforts and energies, right? So if you're going to put in the effort and energy in investing, in saving, and having a proper full-fledged plan, you are going to get the results accordingly. And if you are going to be careless, if you're going to be reckless, if you're going to be like, okay, this is my life, let's live fully and let's ruin the money and spend the money on stupid things, at the end of the month you are going to be like, oh my god, I have nothing. You have to like figure out a balance between overspending and not living your life at all, right? A balance. So whatever efforts you are going to put you, whatever energies you are going to put regarding your finances thing, it's going to work accordingly. But it's a slow process, it's a slow and steady growth, that you should be focused on, not the getting rich overnight, getting in the spotlight overnight kind of energy, right? Let's see the guidance here. The Magician. See, you might be manifesting this energy of wanting to be a billionaire or something, honey, right? But are you in that mindset? Are you in that energy? Yeah, are you doing whatever it takes to become a billionaire? First of all, you should be very, very clear about your finances, about your money energy, what exactly you are looking forward to create in this lifetime. What is your goal? Is it like 10 crores? It is 100 crore? It's 8,000 crores? I don't know. Okay. And for that goal of yours, what are you doing from your side? Only just visualizing and manifesting is not going to work. You have to work on your frequencies and your vibrations also. You have to match that frequency of that money thing, and then you will be able to manifest it in your real life. So manifestation game is going to work out only when you are going to be super clear and you are going to take action from your side. Inspired action. Inspired action, you just do that. You don't think about that, you just do that. That's inspired actions. Okay, if you have to think 1,000 times before taking the action, that's not inspired action. Yeah, my love. So let's see, you're okay, let's see. Today this reading is very weird for me but funny as well. Thank you so much to me for doing weird things and laughing like idiots. Maybe you're also laughing with me, and that's a good thing. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.